Precious metals have been used for trade and investment for centuries. They are often considered safe investments, as they tend to retain their value over time, which can serve as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. However, as with any investment, there are potential drawbacks you need to consider. Understanding the benefits and risks of investing in precious metals can help you make informed decisions about incorporating them into your investment portfolio. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits and risks of investing in precious metals and whether they're a good investment choice or not.
By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, be sure to watch the entire video and get a chance to win $25 in our weekly Money Opulence giveaway.
What precious metals are used for investments? The most commonly traded precious metals are gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Among these, gold is the most popular and widely traded. Silver is often viewed as a more affordable alternative to gold. Platinum is a precious metal primarily used in the automotive industry, making it a more exclusive investment option. Meanwhile, the demand for palladium has surged in recent years due to its use in catalytic converters for gasoline-powered vehicles. These metals are traded as coins, bars, and exchange-traded funds or ETFs. How to invest in precious metals. Physical ownership. Physical ownership involves buying gold, silver, platinum, or palladium coins or bars from a reputable dealer and holding them as investments. It provides the benefit of directly possessing the metal but also requires storage and security measures to protect the investment. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are investment funds traded on stock exchanges. They allow investors to gain exposure to precious metals without owning them physically. ETFs that track the price of precious metals can be bought and sold like stocks, and they typically have lower fees and expenses than physical ownership. Futures and options. Futures and options are financial contracts that allow investors to bet on the future price of a precious metal. Futures contracts involve an agreement to buy or sell a set amount of a precious metal at a future date and price, while options contracts provide the right but not the obligation to buy or sell. Benefits of investing in precious metals. Diversification. Precious metals provide a diversification benefit to a portfolio because they often have a low correlation with other asset classes like stocks and bonds. Adding precious metals to your investment portfolio can help reduce overall risk and volatility. Hedge against inflation. Precious metals like gold and silver have historically been considered a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living rises, the value of precious metals tends to increase as well, which can help protect the purchasing power of your investment portfolio. Safe haven asset. During times of economic uncertainty or geopolitical instability, investors often turn to precious metals as safe haven assets. These assets are perceived to be less risky than other investments and can provide a store of value during times of market turbulence. Risks of investing in precious metals. Storage and security costs. If you choose to invest in physical precious metals, you will need to consider storage and security costs. Precious metals are valuable and can be a target for theft, so you must take measures to protect your investment. Unscrupulous dealers. Some unscrupulous dealers sell fake coins or bars, which can be difficult to detect, resulting in a significant loss for investors. Other dealers engage in unethical practices, such as selling overpriced precious metals or misrepresenting the quality or purity of the metals they are selling. Limited income potential. Precious metals are not income-producing assets, so they do not offer the potential for regular income streams like dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Should you invest in precious metals? If you're looking for a safe haven asset that can provide a hedge against economic uncertainty, investing in precious metals may be a smart decision. However, if you're looking for high returns, precious metals may not be the best choice, as their prices tend to be more stable and less volatile compared to other investments like stocks. Just keep in mind that investing in precious metals should only be part of a diversified investment portfolio, not the sole focus of your investments.
Here's the question for this week's $25 Money Opulence giveaway. What are the 4 precious metals often used as investments? That's it. Pretty simple, right? Just leave your answer in the comments below, and you'll be automatically entered to win $25. The winning comment will see this as a reply, so stay tuned. Earn money while you learn about money with Money Opulence. If you want to see more of these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to leave a comment. We appreciate all comments and feedback from you.
Thank you so much.
That's more than enough to help us grow and sustain our production expenses. See you in our next video.